Hello everyone. So today we're going to show you how to improve your Wi-Fi card in your laptop. So this is my wife's old Asus laptop, and this is pretty old, but it's pretty convenient. This has Core i5, and it's pretty much in a good condition, except the part that this laptop has a very old Wi-Fi card, so it can't get 5G signals, but we have 5G signals in our home. So today we are going to change the Wi-Fi card in this laptop, swap it with the Wi-Fi card from this laptop. This is a gaming laptop which I used to use for gaming purposes, and it's a CyberPower PC laptop. It's a pretty cool laptop with Core i5, and I'll show you inside. So it's pretty old, but it's pretty workable laptop, and it has the newest Wi-Fi card, and it can get the 5G network actually. So we are going to swap the Wi-Fi card from this laptop into this laptop. This video, you can use this video as a tutorial to upgrade your Wi-Fi card, because the Wi-Fi card can be purchased in the Amazon with just like 30 bucks. So let's get into it. So first I am going to extract the Wi-Fi card from this CyberPower PC laptop. Okay, let's get the other laptop out of the way and put it here so you can see it. I have unscrewed a lot of parts, but I will unscrew it again so you can see this. All right. The Wi-Fi card is actually here. I'll take it closer to the camera so you can see all the parts. So I hope you're seeing this. So this is the Wi-Fi card. Let me see if I can get a clear picture of this so you can see the labels here. So that's the Wi-Fi card. These two are the antenna cables. We're going to unscrew it, take it out, and swap it with the other ones. All right, let's go. First, we're going to unscrew here. As you can see, I hope that it pops out. Okay, now we need to unscrew this part, these two antennas here, and then we can take it out. Okay, to unscrew that part, we need to use a knife, small knife. So you can just push it. First, you take the screw out. You just push it a little bit so it can came out. All right, let me show you how it happens now. So you can see the cables are unlocked, and now I can just take out the laptop card just like this. All right, and we introduce this laptop here. We're gonna put this card into this laptop. First, we need to unscrew this.
One important thing to remember before replacing the Wi-Fi card is the compatibility. The old standard is PCIe Express mini card, which we are seeing here. The new standard is the even smaller M.2 NGFF slot. These are similar to the slots for M.2 storage drives, but even tinier. Now, some laptops have both a PCIe mini slot and an M.2 wireless slot. You can use one of them.
Here, I hope you can see this is your Wi-Fi card, and you can see there's the white color wire and there's the black color where we're going to swap this with this here, and hopefully that'll do the trick. We need to open this part here with this knife, carefully pry it open. So the white one is connected here, and this is the black one. Just pry it open like that. Those are gone. Now what you need to do, you need to open this, unscrew this part here, and it will just pop out. Just like that, you unscrew this and the card pops out. You just take it out. There's your card. So whenever it says main, that you see the black one, that's black arrow, means that the black antenna goes here, and here's the white, which is the auxiliary cable, so the white goes here. In this card, the newer card, we have the black one here and the white one here. We're going to plug it accordingly. So first let's put it in. Alright, now we're going to put the screws inside. Alright, now you put the white one in the white part, and you put the black one in the black part. Make sure this is connected. So I hope you can see this. So you can see that the white one is in the white part, the black one is in the black part, the white one is in the white part, so it's ready to go. So that's all you need to do. And now lastly, what we need to do is need to cover it up again. You need to put your screws back in, and that will be it.